Hey dental fans, Dr. Rich here, coming to you from my bathroom. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to all the wonderful viewers and subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching all my videos, and thank you for all the questions and comments on the videos too. Please keep them coming. Any question you have, feel free to ask. You can even shoot me an email. If you go to my website, verynicesmile.com/askdrrich, and I'll answer your questions that you have. So today's video is kind of a follow-up to another video I made. The old video was called How I Floss My Teeth. And in that video I flossed my teeth because I had a couple viewer requests. They wanted to actually see how I floss my teeth, the actual mechanics of it. And so this video is similar in that I had a couple requests as well from viewers who wanted to see exactly how I brush my own teeth. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I brush my own teeth. So I have my Colgate toothbrush that I bought beginning of July. I think I bought it at a Walgreens because I need a new toothbrush. And I'm going to use some Colgate Optic White toothpaste. This is just a little sample size that I get when I buy toothbrushes from Colgate to give out to patients at my office. Alright, so first thing I'll do, let's start off first step with just how to hold it. You don't want to hold it in a fist. If you're a hard brusher, you want to use your fingertips. I kind of hold the toothbrush in my knuckles, just so it's mostly in my fingers. I have my thumb on the bottom holding it, and I'll curl my fingers around it, and that way I have very good control with it. I can do what I need to do, but I'm not using a lot of force. Second is technique, brushing technique. So everyone has heard of the Bass technique. That's the start at the bottom and just kind of swipe up with your toothbrush. And while it works well and it's very safe and gentle to your gums, I found over the years that most people have trouble with that motion, and over time they tend to get lazy and revert back to scrubbing up and down or scrubbing side to side. So I've been recommending, and what I personally use is, for lack of a better name, the little circle method. Basically, you take your toothbrush, angle it 45-degree angle towards the gums, start all the way in the back, and just go in little circles. That way, you're cleaning the teeth very well, but you're not putting too much pressure on your gums. You're not going to damage your gums by doing that. And I also start in order and work my way around. So since I'm right-handed, I'll start in the bottom left, way in the back by my wisdom tooth, and I'll just work my way slowly around till I get to the back right. Then I go to the inside, same thing, 45-degree angle, work my way around, and I'll do that twice on the bottom, and I'll do it twice on the top, and then I'll finish up by scrubbing the biting surfaces of my teeth and also my tongue. Gotta clean your tongue as well. And then when it's all done, you'll have cleaned every single tooth on every single side, as long as you remember to floss as well. Alright, so first step, take my toothbrush, just wet it with a little bit of water, and a little bit of toothpaste on there. You don't have to go crazy, you need enough toothpaste, but you don't want so much that you're just going to waste it and it's just going to foam up and you end up spitting it mostly out. So again, I'm going to start on my bottom teeth, and I'll go from left to right on the outside, right to left on the inside, and I'll do that twice. So here goes. Alright, how to spit so I can talk. So now I've brushed my bottom teeth, both sides, all around. So now I'm going to do the same thing on top. And again, I'm going to go from left to right on the outside, on the cheek side. and then I'm going to go on the inside and go from right to left, and I'll do that twice. Okay, so now I brushed my top teeth, and now I'll finish it up by brushing the biting surfaces on the bottom teeth and on the top teeth. For this, you'll see you'll see that I'm just basically scrubbing back and forth, but I'm nowhere near the gums. I'm up on the top of the biting surface. So that's all hard enamel that you don't have to worry about damaging. So I'll do that, and then I'll do the same thing on the biting surfaces of the uppers. Okay, and then I'll finish it up by brushing my tongue. Brushing your tongue is important because you want to get rid of any bacteria that will build up over time and could potentially lead to some bad breath. And it's a quick, easy thing to do. You can use your toothbrush. You can use one of those tongue scrapers that they sell. Either way will work. Okay. All right, and now, so there's been some controversy, not even controversy. I've just read some, been reading on Reddit, and people are wondering, well, after I brush my teeth, am I supposed to rinse out? Am I not supposed to rinse out? Well, technically, if you just spit and you leave the toothpaste on there, that enables the fluoride in the toothpaste to linger on your teeth longer. Fluoride helps make your teeth stronger and more resistant to cavities and helps prevent cavities. So by leaving it on there longer, it'll work better. That being said, if you're one of those people that uses a lot of toothpaste when you brush and you got a really sudsy mouth, a lot of foam from the toothpaste, you might not want to walk around with that strong toothpaste flavor. So, in that case, go ahead, rinse out. If you're really worried about the fluoride, use a fluoride rinse like Act or the purple Listerine that has fluoride in it as well after you brush. Just take a sip of that, swish it around your mouth. Make sure you concentrate on getting your teeth. You don't need to gargle with it. Just kind of really swish it in between your teeth for a minute and then spit that out. That way the fluoride stays on your teeth, but without that, kind of toothpaste flavor texture all in your mouth. It's just the rinse is a little bit more pleasant. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I answered the question that those few viewers had about how I brush my teeth. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my weekly dental videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.